Hi, I am Alberto Ferro from the London Contemporary School of Piano. Today I would like to talk to you about blues improvisation. Something that I get asked a lot from my students, especially when they begin improvise, is how to coordinate yourself, how to coordinate the hands in a blues improvisation. And it's quite tricky, especially in the beginning. So let's start off. So left hand will start here, C, B flat, A flat, G. Let's get this rolling. Right? Just make sure that you play the same thing and you don't escape the beat. Right? Use the same fingers and go in loop. Okay, now we're gonna include the right hand. The right hand we start from C with finger number 1. Don't stop playing and don't stop counting. And again, you can repeat it. Now we can play with finger 2. The second note for the right hand is, as you see, E flat. Now finger 3 on F. Now 4 on F sharp. You got here? Now you can start. Try to coordinate both hands at the same time, and you can also choose different paths. Notice that the left hand doesn't change the order of the notes, while the right hand move around. Okay, now without stopping, the right hand will get to the note in between beats, and I'll show you in a second what that means. Right in the middle, in between left hand notes. If you get here, seems pretty easy. It's perhaps even easier than the previous exercise. Now we can double the note, like this. Right? Seems easy enough, but it's really hard to maintain the beat. Okay, we got here, we can put together everything, and by everything I mean notes on the beat and notes between the beats. So I'll show you what I mean. Right? You can make combinations now, like okay, I think you got the point by now. Let's add a couple more notes in the right hand. We're gonna play G with 1 and B flat with 2. If we play the whole thing now, you have what we call the blues scale. Get a bit familiar over this and let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you got the point now, and you can see where this is going. We can add another octave. So if you are here on G and B flat, guess what? You can start off from C again and go up. I think this is clear enough. Before going to the final step, I just wanted to say that if you find this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment under the video. And you need to know also that at the London Contemporary School of Piano, we do a lot of this, and we look so much deeper into improvisation and this kind of coordination issues. So. For other videos on similar topics, maybe on improvisation, harmony, or other piano-related topics, subscribe, and we will notify you when a new video comes out. The last thing that I'm gonna suggest for this is something that relates with the left hand. Now, instead of one single note, we double it. This is twice the amount of notes, twice the amount of treble. There we go. See you next time.